Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet the back and forth crochet stitch pattern. For this pattern, you'll just need to know how to do single crochets. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that. Also, if you've been watching this series, I've been telling you not to pull your work too tight, and this is what happens when you do. Everything gets out of proportion. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 5. For this video, I'm just doing a quick 5 chains. Alright, row 1, you're going to chain 1, and in the second chain from the hook, you're going to work a single crochet, and you're going to single crochet all the way to the end of the row. Super easy. So row 2, we are going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to single crochet in every stitch all the way to the end of the row. And for this pattern, the repeat is rows 2 through 7. Alright, row 3, we're going to chain 1 and we're going to single crochet all the way to the end of the row. So far, this is turning out to be a very simple stitch pattern. Alright, row 4 is where the magic happens. We're going to chain 1 and we're going to start off by working 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, and 3 single crochets. Next, we're going to work a single crochet back stitch. So we're going to locate 3 stitches back. And for this, it's the beginning of the work, but you'll have to count where your 3 stitches are. And we're going to insert our hook like we're going to do a double crochet, pull through, whoop, lost my work, and pull through. So it ends up creating a very long double crochet, single crochet, my apologies. Then we'll skip that 1 stitch and we'll single crochet in the next stitch. And you see how it ends up giving that nice stitch back. So rows 5 and 6, we're just going to chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. Now for this project, you want to make sure that when you do your stitch back, that you don't work the stitch that is on the same row, or else you'll end up with too many stitches. So now we're on row 6 of single crocheting. And now we're on row 7. So we're going to start off by chaining 1. And we're going to work a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then we're going to work our single crochet 3 stitches back. So a stitch below. So we're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. And you want to make sure that you don't work that stitch right there. You want to work in the next stitch of a single crochet. And you'll see how this ends up just creating a back and forth method. You can see how that ends up forming. And as you go, it'll end up giving your project a lot more texture and depth. You'll see how it ends up going back and forth. And don't pull your work too tight. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.